Welcome! I make this clear case massage gun. All the inside components are clearly visible, and you can see how a rotational motion transforms into linear motion. And I took some slow motion footage so you can see how it works. Stay tuned for the disassembly, case making, and slow motion video. I bought a brand new, very cheap China massage gun for this project. After I check everything's working, I start to disassemble it. First, remove all the visible screw from the outside. Twist to open the rear cap. Now we can see it's actually a very simple mechanism. Remove the connection screw and 4 screws securing the motor. Take out the motor. Unscrew the front cap. Take away the rubber cover. Unplug the battery and unscrew the control board. Remove the bottom sticker. Untighten the bottom cap screw. Remove the battery. Take away the bushing. Now all the case has been removed. We can start to make the mold. The first step is to make the box. I will skip the detail of mold making and casting in this video. If you want to know more, you can refer to my past video, and I will make a series of tutorial on how to make mold, casting, and everything. So please subscribe. Fix all the case onto clear plastic and put them inside the box. Pour in the silicone. Wrap them up to prevent leakage and then put inside the oven to let it cure. This time the mold is a bit special comparing to my past video. Due to the special shape, I need to add a cone inside the mold so I can separate those two parts. The final mold look like this, so the two molds can fix together inside another part of the mold. After all the mold making and clear case casting, all the case are finished. I added top coat to make the case looks more transparent. As you can see, this one is the original and this one is after adding the top coat. Start putting things back together. First, the battery. Push the bushing back to the front case. Screw it back. Put the shaft back to the bushing. And then the motor. Put back the screw. Test everything's working. Secure the motherboard. Put the rear cap back and the screw. And finally the bottom cap. Voila! All done. You can see the case is very clear. You can see everything inside. Let's turn it on to see everything's working. Let me show you the slow motion video. This is 32 times slower than real speed. And this one is 64 times slower than real speed. You can clearly see the crankshaft moving. This is a very good example how to transform rotational motion into linear motion. And you can see the muscle move like a liquid. It's very pleased to watch. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. See you next time.